Picture windows are a stunning and practical addition to any home, providing an unobstructed view of the outdoors while allowing natural light to flood your living space. For homeowners in Orangeburg, where the scenic beauty and changing seasons enhance curb appeal, picture windows offer a perfect blend of functionality and aesthetics. Whether you're considering new windows for a renovation or building a new home, picture windows can add style, energy efficiency, and value to your property. Unparalleled views and natural light. One of the main reasons homeowners in Orangeburg opt for picture windows is the expansive, unobstructed views they provide. Unlike traditional windows with grids or sashes, picture windows offer a seamless connection to the outdoors, making them ideal for rooms facing gardens, lakes, or wooded areas. Additionally, picture windows maximize natural light, brightening up any room and creating a more inviting atmosphere. This is particularly beneficial in Orangeburg's climate, where sunny days can be enjoyed year-round. Energy efficiency and cost saving. Energy efficiency is a major concern for homeowners, and picture windows are designed to minimize heat transfer and enhance insulation. Since these windows do not open, they have fewer gaps for air leaks, making them more energy efficient than other window styles. Modern picture windows come with features such as double or triple pane glass for enhanced insulation, low emissivity coatings to reflect heat and UV rays, argon or krypton gas fills between panes to reduce temperature fluctuation. By investing in energy-efficient picture windows, homeowners in Orangeburg can lower their heating and cooling costs, making their homes more comfortable and environmentally friendly. Low maintenance and durability. Another advantage of picture windows is their low maintenance design. Since they do not have moving parts like sliders or casement windows, there is less wear and tear over time. This means fewer repairs and replacements, saving homeowners both time and money. To keep picture windows in top condition, homeowners only need to clean the glass occasionally with a mild detergent and a soft cloth. Check the window seals for any signs of wear or dust the frames to prevent dirt buildup. With proper care, high-quality picture windows can last for decades, making them a smart long-term investment. Enhancing home aesthetics and resale value. A well-placed picture window can become a focal point in a home's interior and exterior design. These windows create a sense of openness and luxury, making rooms feel larger and more inviting. Whether installed in a living room, bedroom, or dining area, picture windows add a modern, elegant touch to any space. In addition, homes with picture windows often attract more buyers due to their stylish appeal and energy efficiency. If you plan to sell your home in the future, installing picture windows could increase its market value and desirability. Customization options to fit any home style. Picture windows are available in a variety of shapes, sizes, and frame materials, allowing homeowners to customize their look to match their home's style. Some popular frame materials include vinyl, affordable and energy efficient. Wood, classic and elegant, ideal for traditional homes. Aluminum, sleek and modern, offering durability. Fiberglass, low maintenance and highly resistant to weather changes. For added aesthetic appeal, picture windows can be combined with other window types, such as casement or double-hung windows, to create a unique and functional window arrangement. Perfect for various rooms in the home. Picture windows are versatile and can be installed in different rooms for varying effects. Living rooms. Enhances spaciousness and outdoor views. Bedrooms. Creates a serene, relaxing atmosphere. Dining areas. Offers a bright and welcoming environment. Hallways or staircases. Maximizes light in traditionally dim areas. Regardless of placement, picture windows contribute to a well-lit, visually appealing home. Conclusion. For homeowners in Orangeburg, picture windows offer a perfect balance of beauty, efficiency, and practicality. They provide breathtaking views, improve natural lighting, enhance energy efficiency, and require minimal maintenance. With various customization options available, these windows can complement any home style while adding value and elegance. If you're considering upgrading your windows, investing in picture windows is a decision that will benefit you for years to come. Speak to a trusted local window expert to explore options that best suit your home's needs and aesthetics.